Playgroup Communication and Literacy Skills. Hello, my dear children. I hope my little kids are doing great. Kids, today I'm going to take you all on a virtual trip to Lulu's home garden. You all have a garden at home, right? So today we are going to see Lulu's home garden. Are you all ready? Beautiful Lulu's garden is. Looking at this garden makes me very happy because this garden is very colorful. Okay, now let's see one by one what we can see in this garden. First of all, I saw Lulu's pet dog. Can you all see? And the dog is near its kennel. Okay, what else can you all see? We can see beautiful and colorful butterflies. They have come to drink nectar from flowers. There are little ladybugs on the flowers. And also, there is another insect. Here, see? It's a bee. The bee is trying to go near the beehive. Can you all see? The bee is trying to fly and go near the beehive. And the beehive is on a nice tree. And what's in that tree? It's full of fruits. Can you all see, children? Oh, here see. There is a nice tree with little white flowers. And there is a blue bird singing on a branch. See how nice Lulu's garden is. Look at these beautiful flowers, children. There are different color flowers, right? Just like y'all. Very nice. Did y'all enjoy looking at Lulu's garden? Yes? Do you also own a garden like this, children? Now it's the time to go to the backyard of Lulu's garden. Shall we go and see? Children, here see, Lulu's mother is planting. She is planting some vegetable plants. Can you all see? There are pumpkins, tomatoes, cabbage. See how nice Lulu's garden is? And one of the best things that I like from Lulu's garden is this bird bath. Can you see how a bird is flying and coming to the bird bath? It is a place that Lulu and her family has set up for birds to bathe. Can you all see, children? See how kind Lulu's family is? Okay, now it's time for us to leave from Lulu's garden. Children, I hope you all enjoyed the virtual trip to Lulu's garden. Now, we are going to do an interesting activity. Take out your color pencils. Okay, children, I'm going to read some instructions one by one. You have to listen carefully using your 2 ears, and then you have to color the pictures by using the colors that I name. Okay, are you all ready? Let's start now. Children, now I'm going to read the instructions one by one. First of all, color the 3 flowers with blue and red color pencils. Faces in blue and the petals in red. Faces in blue and the petals in red. Secondly, color the butterfly using pink and orange. Color the butterfly using pink and orange. Color the bee in yellow. Color the bee in yellow. Finally, use green to color the stems and the leaves of the flowers. Use green to color the stems and the leaves of the flowers. Okay, children, now you can complete your worksheets. Children, look at this picture. If you all had colored the picture by using the same exact colors that I named, then your picture should look like this. Here, see. The three flowers are red and blue. The petals are red and the faces are blue. The stems and the leaves are green. And the bee is yellow. The butterfly is pink and orange. Can you all see? Very good. I know all of you have colored like this. Because you all are my clever children. Very good. Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. So, let's all plant together and own a fruitful garden with lots of trees, vegetable plants, fruits, flowers. Okay, children. So, till we meet again, you can have a walk in your garden and find some spaces to plant. Thank you and stay safe.